Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Din and Dia, where we help you navigate the world of finance with a clear conscience. I'm Latifat Raffle, your UK accountant, and today we're tackling a topic that's close to every parent's heart: securing your child's financial future, the Sharia-compliant way. We're talking about junior ISAs or JISAs. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "It is better for you to leave your offspring wealthy than to leave them poor, begging from people." From Buhari and Muslim. So, what exactly is JISA? Think of it as a special savings account for your child, but with a superpower. It's completely tax-free. You can save up to 9,000 each tax year for your child, and all the growth, all the profits are free from the UK income tax and capital gains tax. The money belongs to your child, but they can only access it when they turn 18. At that point, it automatically converts into an adult ISA, giving them a fantastic financial start. Now, for us, it is not just about saving, it's about saving right. We want our money to be halal, so how do we make a JISA Sharia compliant? The key is in a stocks and shares JISA, where you choose underlying investments that adhere to Islamic principles. This means avoiding industries like alcohol, gambling, conventional banking, and ensuring no interest-based transactions. The good news is the market for ethical and Sharia-compliant investment is growing. Platforms like Foresters, Shariah Junior ISA, Red Rose Assurance, Junior Shariah ISA, the Children's ISA offers Sharia fund options via fund managers, and Wahid Invest offer dedicated Sharia-compliant stocks and shares JISAs. You can also use platforms like the Islamic Finance Guru Fund Platform, Curate, to identify Sharia-compliant funds that you can then invest in through a mainstream JISA provider. Always do your due diligence and look for funds screened by Sharia Supervisory Board. Now let's talk numbers. This is where the magic of compounding truly shines. Imagine you start investing for your child from birth. Even small amounts can grow significantly. Let's look at some projections with a conservative 5% annual compounded profit rate, which is achievable with Sharia-compliant investments over the long term. Contributing a monthly £10 means you would have contributed 2,160 for 18 years, and your child can get up to 3,005 or 3,007. £30, that's 6,480 contribution in 18 years. The child would get 10,500 to 11,000. £100 monthly, it's 21,600, and that gives your child 35,000 to 37,000. Look at that, a mere £100 a month could potentially give your child over 35,000 at 18. That's a life-changing sum. It could be a significant contribution to their university education, a deposit for their first home, or even seed money for a business. This brings me to the next crucial point. When should you start? The answer is simple: as early as possible. The moment your child is born, that's your cue. Why? Because of the power of compounding, the eighth wonder of the world, and the long investment horizon. The longer your money is invested, the more time it has to grow, and the more time it has to recover from any market dips. Starting early means your child benefits from 18 years of tax-free growth. Setting up a Sharia-compliant JISA is easier than you think. Many platforms have straightforward online application process. Do your research, choose a provider that aligns with your values, and start today. Give your child the gift of a financially secure future, built on halal principles. Don't delay. Take the first step. Your child's future self will thank you. And remember, may your money be halal and your heart be at peace. Assalamu alaikum.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dean and Dia.